Alright, I'm going to do a walk around here on our Chevrolet Corvette. There is not much I can really pick that would be negative on this car. So I will do my best to see if I can even find anything. Just start off with a quick circle around the car. Alright, so we'll start here on the front nose of the car. There really isn't anything I can point out negative. There's no significant chips or anything of that nature. Even across the lower front, everything down here is really nice. There's one small little rock peck, and I don't even know if you're going to see it. I'm using the tip of the ballpoint pen to put it into perspective right there. But other than that, that is really all that is on the front nose of the car. Looking at the hood, same thing, no issues. I apologize, I was hoping to have some of these clouds move in and do away with our shadows. We'll go down the driver's side. The front wheel, there's no curb marks. Tires appear to be original, date code 2022. Still got a good amount of tread on these tires, and these are the same size as the stock wheels. But the previous owner put a set of Vossen wheels on here, but both sets will come with the car. Going down the driver's side here, got nothing I can pick. There's no dings or scratches. Nothing down on the lower rockers. Everything's really nice here. Go back here to the rear wheel. No curb marks on the rear wheel. Tires are good. Again, 22 date code. So these are the original tires still, and you can see that there's a lot of tread, and you can tell by looking at these tires that this car has not been driven hard or abused. We'll come around here to the rear of the car. Got absolutely nothing back here I can point out negative. Everything is like brand new. Take a look at the wing. No issues here. Same with the rear deck. No issues there that I can point out. Come around here to the passenger side. And again, there's nothing I can point out negative. Take a look at the wheel. No curb spots on the rear wheel. No dings or scratches down the body. No issues on the lower rockers. Door is all really good. No scratches. Front fender, no scratches or any other issues. No curb spots on this wheel either. No rock pecks or chips on the mirror. I'll go back over here to the driver's side. Same thing on this one. There are no rock chips or dings on the mirror. The windshield, no cracks or stars. I'll also do a little more video here since we're underneath the overhang, so there's no real shadows, but again, you can see no rock chips, no dings, no scratches. It's just an extremely nice car. I would call it as in like new condition. Turn it around here in just a second, so have a little bit better lighting on the passenger side, and I'll do the passenger interior as well. All right, lastly, let's just take a look at the top with it closed, so you can see there's no issues, there's no damage or any scratches or anything on the top. Go around here to the other side as well. No issues here at all. This worked out well because you got a little bit of some video of it outside in the sunlight with some moderate shadows here and there, but here underneath the overhang you're able to see that it is very nice and with really nothing negative I can point out. Do a quick video here with the clamshell up. I did just see one thing that I did not notice, and I don't think you're even going to see it in the video. There is a spot right here that looks like it had a rock chip that's been touched up and been touched up very well. Depending on how the light hits it, you don't even see it. And like I said, I don't even think you're gonna see it here in the video, no matter what angle I go at. But again, I'm just being your eyes, and so I can tell you what I see. But that is the only thing on this car. All right, actually got a little cloud cover, so I don't have any shadows. You can see on the interior, the seats are in great shape. There's no wear. Unfortunately, as you saw in those photos, that the little vent holes actually make it look wore there, and now my sun has come back out. But at least you got a good sight of the seat. No wear on the steering wheel. Carbon fibers all nice here. No issues on the door panel. All right, I'm gonna take a shot at doing some of this video underneath our overhang. Usually it's too dark under here, but let's see how it goes. So you can see that the dashboard is all in very nice condition. There's no issues. All the leather on the center console is great. Again, the steering wheel, there's no wear. All the nice carbon fiber around the center dash. See the, I think you can see the heads-up display in that view right there. Take another look here at the door panel. Everything's just super nice. The sill plate's not all scuffed up. All right, current miles as it sits is 3,979. I'm just going to give it a couple revs. You can see that the revs are nice and smooth. No, there's no miss in it. All right, let's take a look at the passenger side. As you can see, the passenger door panel, no issues. Carbon fiber's all real nice. Again, we'll take a look at the dash, but from this side, no issues on the top of the dash. The passenger seat is in great condition. There's no bolster wear. Just super nice condition. Go ahead and take a look on the outside here underneath. Again, there's just no rock pecks, there's no scratches, no dings. There's just nothing I can tell you negative on this car. It was obviously taken very, very good care of. not much to see in the rear storage area, but just give you a quick look under here. So take a look underneath the front bonnet. All right, I'm going to finish up by showing you a little bit of who I am, so you can see me face to face, and a little bit of who we are as Merino Performance Motors. So this is us, Merino Performance Motors. We deal with a little bit of everything. We primarily deal in the upper end exotics and the high-end luxury cars. We do a lot of Bentleys, Aston Martin. Give you an idea of some of the other stuff we deal with. I've got a 2006 Ford GT, that's a $500,000 car. Lamborghini, another Aston Martin, Ferrari, Audi R8, Maserati, another McLaren here, a couple McLarens, another Ferrari California, got a Rolls Royce, another Ferrari, another Aston, another Ferrari. You can see through the glass, those are the two owners of the store. That's Gil on the left and Greg on the right. And take you in here to our second showroom, which is a warehouse in the back. Got Dodge Viper, Mercedes AMG, G63, another Ferrari, Bentleys, Lambos, Ferraris, got a Jeep Rubicon 392. Again, we do a little bit of everything. Got another Maserati here. We're also a franchise dealer for Moke. That's what these little glorified golf carts are. They're all electric. We sell these brand new. And just to see a couple other things we have here. Got a custom built Bronco. Got a Range Rover back here, an Aston Martin DBX.